Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 21st, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, and watch the video on my homepage to learn more. So, anyways, the US dollar yen still very strong to the downside, a little bit sideways this afternoon. And if you go up to the daily time frame, we are definitely at an area where I would probably consider a little bit of support to be coming at some point. We definitely got like an order block zone right here that we are definitely coming into. So, it definitely could be a place where we make a more significant pullback, but the trend is very, very strong to the downside. And to me, it kind of looks like five waves of one, three waves of two, and now we're in a wave three. If it is a wave three, then it might just pull back a little bit and just keep on trending down. So definitely still looking for sorts in a downtrend. I mean, if you get some sort of a significant break of sorts into the upside on this 1 hour time frame, then that would turn me into a buyer. Otherwise, I would definitely continue to look for pullbacks to go short for the continuation of this downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.